Well, the idea with this is that we know that you have so much other crap that you read on.
Hey, how's it going? Is this yours?
Yes, this is mine.
Oh, okay.
It finds a retweet in the public feed, and then it goes back and searches for the original.
Uh-huh.
And once it finds it, it puts it in a database, and then later it reads it back out, and will display that tree visually based on the geographic location from where the tweets were.
So put it to sleep. You put it very, very slowly or fast. So you control how much light enters the room. Yeah. So you see like on the screen.
Oh yeah, now you
After
can see
you
it.
know like people clicking their fun and you see like the cool thing is like people on the internet they can contribute a lot of things right by themselves and then we only see like the power of here comes everybody and people can to make something happen, so it's more like a collaborative kind of set. It's more like a performance. There's like a real performance here, but triggered by people's collaborative behavior online.
Heart rate sensor is here, so it connected like this and this, so it can catch my heartbeat. Yeah, this sensor. And the problem is I have to use two hands. Yeah, that was my biggest concern.
Okay, so these are the headbanger phones. It's a set of headphones with a sensor on top called an accelerometer, measuring tilt this way, this way, this way, and this way. And based on where your head is, it plays different musical sounds, so you can experience a dynamic musical piece. So the user is controlling what he's hearing, and it's also a good way to just relax the muscles in your neck and your shoulders.
Connect your hands slightly outside of the bowl, but it's really trying to encourage you to interact with this volume. You know, like have this space. It's not taking data, but I think a lot of people, when they interact with it, it ends up sensitizing their hands anyway. Which is interesting, like how Tai Chi and Qigong works. It's the same way. You taught to do stuff very slowly and gently with your hands, and as a result, activate sensation in your hands. So a lot of people comment that the space inside the bowl feels different than the space outside of the bowl, which is, psychosomatic at its basis, but actually I think really healthy.
Both get a text message about where to meet up. We actually decide for you where you're going to meet, and you have 15 minutes to get there. And actually, this is what comes up. If you want to take a look at this, it's Ready, Set, Go meets Stella at Acton and West 4th. She's wearing a green shirt. That's the address. You have 15 minutes to get there.
Why did you decide to make it get mad when you pick it up?
Well, when I was doing several user testing during earlier prototype process, I got a feedback from a lot of people that what happens if I turn the structure upside down or if I let it stay for a while? Like, does it affect the way the chick reacts to me? So that's why I started thinking of adding different emotions, not necessarily always have the chick being happy or the same facial expression.
You can't move right now, so because it grabs your location from the wireless. So as long as you carry your laptop running, it moves. But actually, no one do that, so it's actually stands still.
Yeah, the ultimate goal for this game is to build it on the mobile phone. So
Yeah, we're doing the next version on the mobile, on the iPhone, so you actually carry the phone running on the street. So you're actually more like a tank, right? So you can hide from missile, you can run away from missile, but you can also shoot in the way.
How fast can it react to where you're moving? Like if you were running or riding in a car, would it actually be harder to shoot at you?
It's pretty real time.
So what's behind this? Is this Google Maps API? Like
Yes,
how do you do that?
we draw characters on top of Google Map API for Flash. We're actually doing it in Flash.
Okay.
Google Map. And we use the Loki to grab location information. That's a plugin for
The reason for putting the controls on the actual mask are